In this video, I am going to show you how to set up your Mint Mobile 5G home internet. So first of all, of course, you get the box and you would like to unbox the gateway. Make sure that you have the 5G gateway device itself, the power adapter, and the quick start guide with your Wi-Fi name, password, slash password printed on it. Of course, the first thing that you would like to do is finding the best spot for your Mint router, of course, to get the best signal. Place the gateway near a window, ideally on the side of the house facing the nearest cell tower if known. Make sure to avoid any corners, basements, or spots surrounded by thick walls slash metal appliances. Then you would like also to test a couple of locations before setting, as an example, since signal strength can vary a lot even after, or an example, even a few feet apart. Because a weak 5G signal is the most common reason for slow speed or drops with home internet gateways. So just go as an example and power on and let everything connected. So plug in the power adapter, wait from 2 to 5 minutes for the gateway to fully boot and log on to the network. You'd like also to check the signal indicator. So if it's basically the lights, the bars or screens, depending on the model that you have, a strong signal usually shown is as an example green or full bar. Then you would like to activate throughout the Mint app. You can download the Mint mobile app or go to the Mint website, sign in into your account and confirm the gateway activation status and verify it shows connected. A gateway that isn't properly activated on the account will show a signal, but it won't actually pass internet traffic. Once you're done with that, you should be good to go. You can just go and connect your devices, find the network SSID or name and password printed on the bottom or back gateway of the gateway, and connect your phone and any other devices that you have. And of course, optionally, you can use a Mint app to rename the network or change the password or also the website. And of course, if the signal stays weak after that, if you try multiple spot near windows, the signal is still weak. The gateway may simply be too far from a tower or for a reliable 5/4G coverage. Some, as example, homes need the gateway in a specific elevated spots like an attic or upper floor, or you can try contacting the support to check coverage at your address in the next step if nothing improves. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.